Hey, good morning. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, let us see the prerequisite that exactly we need to configure our machine to work on this particular mobile automation testing. The first and foremost thing here is you need a Node.js and then you need a Java. You need an Android Studio, APM, APM drivers, APM inspector, and an editor that it is required for us to work on a coding. And if at all you are working on a Mac machine, you need an Xcode as well. Okay, as of now, I'm showing all these configuration related to the Mac machine, and in the next session, I will be showing you the configuration related to the Windows machine. So the first and foremost thing that we need to do here is a Node.js download. So the simple thing here is I just searched for Node.js download in a Google. Okay, Node.js download in a Google and click on a first link, which will be navigating to the Node.js official website. And as I was on a Mac machine, right, so it is asking me to download a package file. So here is the one which is asking me to download it. So simply click on that particular file that will be downloading a package file with which I can complete the installation of a Node.js in this machine. Okay, perfect. Let it download so that we can see this further. So once these are downloaded, got successful, let me open that particular file. And then it is saying that, buddy, I'm gonna install Node.js with a version of 24.15.0 and the NPM as 11.12.1 in this particular location. That's fine. I just want to proceed further. So I clicked on a continue. Okay. And it is asking, buddy, you would like to continue further with the license agreement? Yes, of course. I want to continue further. And it is asking me, are you sure you want to agree to install the installation? Yes, of course. I just want to install it. And finally, it is saying that, buddy, I will take this much of space in your system. Is that okay? Yes, of course. Complete the installation. And as and when you click on an install button, it is asking you your system credentials. As and when you enter the credentials, right, it will start installing this particular Node.js on this machine. Once after the installation was successful, as this is a Mac machine, right? So it is saying that, okay, buddy, see here, I have installed a Node.js in this particular version, and make sure that user local bin is in your path. So it is saying that you want to update it here in this path. Let me copy this one and just click on a close. As and when you click on a close in the Mac machine, buddy, you have a downloaded a Node.js, the package file. As the installation is already completed, you don't want to keep it. Yes, of course, I don't want to keep it. Let me click on a move to bin so that the file what it got downloaded, it will be moved to a trash. And now what I'm doing here is in the footer, I do have a terminal icon, which is a kind of a command prompt in the Windows. You can click on it, or I can press command space from my keyboard. So which is opening this spotlight, where in which I'm typing terminal and hit this enter button. So a command prompt will be displayed. And now I'm doing node hyphen V. So as and when you click on a node hyphen V, it will be fetching the version what it got installed. See here, guys, we have installed 24.15. The same version is displaying here. And the same way, npm hyphen v. And if you check it out, this version at the time of installation, whatever the versions that it displayed, right, the same versions got installed here, with which we can confirm that the Node.js is installed successfully in this machine. Good enough. Now, let me come back to the documentation. We should have a Java in this machine. So here, JDK free download. I'm navigating to the Oracle official website. So from the search results, I'm clicking on a first link, which is navigating to the Oracle official website. And from where we do have a JDK 26, JDK 25, and JDK 21. I somehow felt that JDK 21 is the latest version. So, a most stable version, not a recent version. So here you need to choose your operating system. As I'm working on a Mac machine, hence I'm choosing this one. If at all you guys are working on a Windows machine, anyways, I'll be showing you as part of your next lecture. That's fine. So click on a Mac OS tab. And here it is asking what type of a installable file you want to download. Okay, so here I just want to go with an x64 DMG file. Click on this x64 DMG file. Okay, ideally this x64 DMG will work. If not, we will go with an ARM 64 as well. Anyways, so I was just downloading this x64. Once this download got completed, Okay, ideally for a Mac machine, right? It's gonna download as a DMG file. So whenever you are working on a Windows machine, it will be an exe file, right? So here it is saying that this is the package. Double tap on it. So here it is continuing that. So it is saying that, buddy, you have a downloaded the x64. It should be ARM64. Perfectly all right. So I have a downloaded a wrong file. So here we have an ARM64 DMG. Click on this particular ARM64 DMG. That's it. Okay, it will be downloading this particular Java again, from where we will be double tapping on it, and from where we will be installing this particular ARM64. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it takes a couple of seconds to finish the downloading, and once the downloading got a completed, okay, so once the downloading got a completed, then we will start with the installation. Yeah, so double tap on this particular package file, and now it showed up a prompt, buddy, you want to install it? Yes, of course, continue with the installation. Yes, I want to install on this particular computer, and continue with the further installation. As and when I click on an install button, it is asking me to enter my password. I just entered my password and click on a installation. As and when you click on an installation, see here it is saying that installation is a successful. Perfectly all right. And again, it is asking to move to bin, which is perfectly all right. So I just completed the installation. Good enough. Ideally, guys, once after we are done with the Java installation, we need to update. If it is a Windows, we will be updating an environmental variables. And if it is a Mac, right, you will be updating a jet profile and as well as, okay, a jet profile and as well as a bash profile. These are the two files where you need to update this Java installed location. So what I am doing right now here is, here in my terminal, I'm using open library. Okay, so here hit this enter. So the thing is, directly we can use a command space, and here tab library. Ideally, it should display library. For me, it's not displaying library. That's the reason I was using open library. As and when you hit this one, see here a new library folder got a displayed for me. So where in which I just need to go to my Java location. Okay, so I just need to go to my Java location. So here it should have a Java virtual machine. Okay, it's not showing it. Huh? Okay, that's fine. So Mac Java default location. Okay, just see what I'm doing right now. So here, see library Java virtual machine. So this is the path. Let me copy this path and here open this one. So here I am asking it to open this folder. See here, it is showing that two different Java versions are there. One is a JDK 17 and another is a JDK 21. I have a two different Java versions that I have installed in this machine. Go to JDK 21, you have a contents, and here you have a home. Here is the path. This is the path that you need to update in your Mac machine. So where you need to update that path. So let me keep this folder here. Press command space slash users. In the user, you have your username. Okay, in the users, ideally you have your username. Okay, somehow it's not populating. Users, and inside the users, my username is Lucky. So I'm navigating to my Lucky folder. Here, by default, the bash profile and a jet profile are in a hidden state. To display the hidden files, you need to press Command, Shift, and a dot from your keyboard. Command, Shift, and a dot. All these three you need to press from your keyboard so that all the hidden files are displaying. Even if you want to hide them back, right? Command Shift dot. See here, all those files were hidden. Now, Command Shift dot, all these files got open. And here, search for dot bash profile. Okay, here is the dot bash profile. So ideally, a question that comes in our mind. So Surendra, in your case, you have a bash profile. If I don't have a bash profile, what you will be doing? So the simple thing is you can create a new TXT file and name it as a .bash profile. That's it. If there is a file, you can open it. So here, right click on a bash profile, open with a text edit. And here in this, if you observe this particular file, I already configured this one with my Java home, which is to JDK 17. But I have installed JDK 21 now. So I need to update that particular path. So right click on a bin, get info, whatever the path that it is populating where, copy it and come back here and update this here. So the thing that you need to do here is in the bash profile, export java underscore home is equal to, you need to update this particular one. Guys, as said that this is precisely for a Mac machine. So you just need to update the path here. That's it. Okay. Forgot about all the Android Studio and other parts that we will be looking at moving further. And once you have updated the bash profile, that's fine. Leave it for now. And what you need to do here is, let me open a new terminal and here Java-V. So here, so Java version, right? So Java version. So it is saying that Java version is a 17 itself. So guys, we have updated it to 21, but still it is showing 17 itself. The reason here is we have updated a bash profile and there is a jet profile also that we need to update. So here, right click, open the jet profile, and even in the jet profile also update the Java home. So I just updated my Java home to this JDK 21. Okay, now let me pull my terminal and type Java underscore version. And as of now, my Java version got updated to 21. So guys, so far, if you clearly observe what we have done so far, I have downloaded Node.js and I have installed in my machine. I have downloaded Java and I have installed in my machine and I have updated in a bash profile and as well as a jet profile. As said, if you don't have those files, you can go to the Mac, you can create a new file directly. Okay, you can create a new file and you can put that particular content in that particular file. Okay, good. Done the deal. So this is a simple point. And in the next session, we will be looking at the further configuration, which is an Android Studio, and how exactly we are going to update it in the environmental variables, which is a bash profile and a jet profile that we will be looking at as part of our next session. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.